Hi, Sharon Danley with 2-minute tips for healthy beauty and confident aging. This week it's the essential detailed makeup brushes that you need to make the job easier. And here's the assortment, all travel size brushes so that you have short handles to make the job easier when you're using a magnifying mirror. And first up is our flat-edged angled brushes for brow guidelines and filling in, and for your lash line, both top and bottom. And make sure that you have a dedicated brush for each job. And next we have your classic dome and straight fluff brushes. The dome brush can be used for eyeshadow in the crease of your eyes or at the end of your eyes, and the straight eyeshadow can be used on your lower lash line. Remember, all these brushes can be interchangeable. And next we have the medium flat dome brushes. I love these for the corners of my eyes, you know, that little circle around the front that goes around underneath, and I use one for that and one for contour along the side of my nose. And next we have a variety of tiny dome and fluff brushes. These are quite tiny and fantastic for fixing up eyeliner in the corner or at the back corner of your eye underneath, or any kind of very tiny detailed work. And next I have a tiny flat dome brush. I can use it for glue, to add a little bit more glue on my eyelash if it needs it. Gel liner, I make little hair strokes on my brows after they've been filled in. Or I can use it for spot concealer because this is a synthetic brush. I think having two at least of these brushes is very handy. And next, of course, is this little sleek, quick touch-up packaging that I made. One of them is a foundation that I just smooshed together with some alcohol in an old pan from eyeshadow, and the other one is a kind of a dark charcoal gray that I can use for eyeliner, add a light hand for eyebrows, or touch-ups in any way, shape, or form. It's the best. And because it's so sleek, I can just slip it into the side of my wallet. So easily accessible and quick and easy to touch up on the go, no matter what. Travel brushes, short-handled brushes for detailing. You can get them at art shops, or I would recommend Crown brushes as their prices are good and the brushes are fabulous. Fast, they're easy, it's simple, and oh so effective. We'll see you next time.